We are here to inspect the extent of work that is going on this bypass. You remember sometime last year, about December 13th or so, we did a flag off while we were commissioning the road. We have always had these issues where the community will always, when they want to express their anger over some dissatisfaction of maybe some activities of the airport authority, they always block the airport road. And we thought in this modern society, such actions are not necessary anymore, because whenever it happens, it affects the economic activity of the state. So we liaised with the community and created this bypass. The purpose of the bypass is so that the community can have this at their own way, their own entrance, while the airport will remain only for airport activity once these roads are completed. So we are here to check what they've done. So far, they've done about 65% of job, and they're also promising that before October, that the total project will be delivered. I want to assure our people that, notwithstanding the situation of things, one thing that we have promised everyone is every good work that we have started, by the special grace of God, will continue and complete them. So we're in high spirits, and like we always say, rivers first.
What about the we are arranging the send the drawing I hope you are that one you're liaising with the airport. I hope you're liaising. Not
Correct. Correct, I'm a coach. I'm a coach. No.
Don't take this. You know they're very useful to learn because you know the right because they're ever.